Environment is no one's property to destroy. It is everyone's responsibility to protect. Good morning, one and all. Myself Kartika from final year BPT. Today we have gathered here to celebrate a very important day, World Environment Day. This day is celebrated specially to consider the issues related to the environment and to solve environmental problems. Our purpose behind celebrating World Environment Day is to protect natural environment. You know, globally 91% of world population is exposed to unhealthy levels of population. More than half of the global population is exposed to very low quality air. The majority of them live in India and China. Pollution is the largest environmental cause of disease and death in the world today. Modern research warns us the environmental pollution is responsible for 9 million deaths per year. The environment is very necessary to lead a healthy life. Our environment shapes a very important aspect of human life because air, water, and food are basic requirements of life. Due to global industrialization and modernization, there has been environmental pollution. The day also addresses causes like overpollution, global warming, etc., which has an impact on the environment. Due to high temperature, changing weather, and decreasing water supply, the plants are becoming unhealthy. We need to take effective steps to reduce the rate of climate change and save many natural resources for a better life on earth in the future. This day is celebrated in all countries around the world because no problem can be solved by any country alone. The aim of this event to make new plans and implement schemes to deal with this problem. I am happy to mention that the World Environment Day has been successful in uniting people and making them aware of several environmental causes. We should be promoted natural fertilizers instead of chemical fertilizers, reducing electricity usage, recycling of things, and prevention of deforestation. Effective steps related to protecting wild animals, etc., have to be taken. Our positive step will prove to be helpful in resolving environmental issues in the near future. If we protect and preserve our environment, we only ensure good health and long life to our future generation. We should vigilant on the usage of any harsh chemicals harmful to the environment. It may be lead destruction of animal and birds. We should apply eco-friendly products to eliminate this problem. I conclude my words by a simple message. The nature is the art of God. We should conserve the beauty of nature. Yes, and it is duty of us. Thank you.